Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics Grade 4, Quarter 4, Lesson 7. Our topic for today is about decimal numbers. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Plot decimal numbers with the 10th decimal part of the number line. Accurately draw number lines to represent decimal numbers with 10th part. And correctly plot decimal numbers with 10th decimal parts on a number line. Day 1 to 2. Let's have a short review. Activity number 1, from fractions to decimals. Number 1, 5/10. The answer is E, 0.5. Number 2, 500. The answer is A, 0.05. Number 3, 2/10. The answer is B, 0.2. Number 4, 200s. The answer is C, 0.02. Number 5, 100s. The answer is D, 0.01. Number 6, 800s. The answer is G, 0.08. Number 7, 8/10. The answer is H, 0.8. Number 8, 3/10. The answer is 0.3. Number 9, 300s. The answer is I, 0.03. And number 10, 1/10. The answer is F, 0.1. Lesson purpose. Move the arrow and choose a number where to place it. Then ask a learner from the class to name the decimal number. Let's start with number 1, 0.8. Number 2, 1.3. Number 3, 1.8. Number 4, 0.2. And number 5, 0.5. Unlocking content vocabulary. What is a number line? A number line is a visual representation of numbers on a straight line. The numbers on a number line are placed sequentially at equal distances along a horizontal line. It can be extended infinitely in both directions. Day 1 to 2, subtopic number 1, plot decimal numbers with 10th decimal part on the number line. Ask the learner to draw a number line on a piece of paper as shown on the example below, following these steps. Number 1, draw a horizontal line. Number 2, mark two numbers on the number line, 0 and 1. Number 3, divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. Here, you can make a connection between fraction and decimal. Number 4, name the red marks using decimal numbers as shown on the number line. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and 1. Note, the number line may also start with another number, not necessarily 0. It will depend on the given problem. Explicitation decimal hunt on the number line. Decimal challenge. Uh-oh! Our number line only goes up to 1. But what if we need to find 1.7 or 2.1? Can you imagine extending your number line? What would come after 1? Expand the number line. Draw more marks after 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's zoom in on where 1.7 and 2.1 would be. Tip, 1.7 is between 1 and 2, closer to 2. 2.1 is just beside 2. Here's what it looks like. A 1.7. Its location in the number line, here. 2.1, it's beside 2. Lesson purpose. Move the arrow and choose a number where to place it. Then ask a learner from the class to name the decimal number. Let's start with number 1, 0.8. Number 2, 1.3. Number 3, 1.8. Number 4, 0.2. And number 5, 0.5. And here is the answer. Lesson activity. Activity number 2, locate me. Using the number line, plot the given decimal in each number line. Number 1, 4.2. Number 2, 3.6. Number 3, 0.8. Number 4, 5.0. Number 5, 6.6. Activity number 3, name my point. Give the decimal illustrated in the number line. This is for number 6 to 10. And here are the answers for A and B. Day 3, subtopic number 2. Compare and order decimal numbers with decimal parts to hundreds. Explicitation. Observe the given decimals on the number line. Here's the question. Number 1, how far is 0.6 from 0? The answer, 6 units away from 0. Let's check if the answer is correct. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the answer is correct. Number 2, how far is 0.2 from 0? Let's check. 1, 2. Therefore, the answer is 2 units away from 0. Therefore, the answer is correct. Number 3. Which is farther from 0? 0.6 or 0.2? The answer is 0.6 is farther from 0 as compared to 0.2. Number 4. Which do you think is greater? 0.6 is greater than 0.2. Observe the given decimals on the number line. Question: which do you think has a smaller value, 1.9 or 1.7? Explain your answer. The answer, 1.7 is less than 1.9. 1.7 is closer to 0 than 1.9. Plot 2.0 on the number line. The answer is here. Question: 6, 2.0 the same way with 2? The answer, it's yes. Worked example number 1. Compare decimals 1.8 and 1.3 by comparing the distance of each from 0 on the number line. What should be the correct symbol to complete the statement below? The answer, 1.8 is greater than 1.3. Example number 2, compare the decimals, write less than, greater than, or equals. 0.8 is less than 1.0, while 3.0 is equal to 3. If decimals are not represented on a number line, a way to identify which is greater or lesser is on its place value. Example number 3, let's compare. 1.8 is less than 2.3. The answer, 1.8 is less than 2.3 since 2 ones is greater than 1 1. Here's the place value chart. 1.8, 1 is ones, 8 is tenths. For 2.3, 2 is ones, then 3 is tenths. Example number 4. Let's compare. 0.05 is less than 0.5. The answer, 0.05 is less than 0.5. Although their ones place value are the same, 5 hundredths is less than 5 tenths. Here's the place value chart. Tenths, 0, hundredths, 5. For 0.5, tenths is 5. Example number 5, arrange the decimals in increasing order. 2.1, 2, 2.7, and 2.3. The answer, 2, 2.1, 2.3, and 2.7. Remember, when decimals are arranged in increasing order, you start with the smallest decimal and end with the greatest decimal. When decimals are arranged in decreasing order, you start with the greatest decimal and end with the smallest decimal. Note, the place value of each decimal plays a vital role in arranging the decimals. Lesson activity. Activity number 4, comparing decimal. Compare the decimals. Write less than, greater than, or equals on the blank. Number 1, 0.03, blank 0.3. Number 2, 1.2, blank 1.20. Number 3, 3.02, blank 3.2. Number 4, 5.4, blank 4.5. Number 5, 9.1, blank 3.5. Number 6, 7.07, blank 7.7. Number 7, 6.20, blank 6.2. Number 8, 8.01, blank 8.1. Number 9, 3.45, blank 3.54. Number 10, 12.31, blank 12.30. Activity number 5, ordering decimals. A. Arrange the decimals in increasing order. Here's numbers 1 to 5. B. Arrange the decimals in decreasing order. Here's numbers 1 to 5. Here's the answer for activity number 4 and activity number 5. Day 4, Learners' Takeaways. Use the Freyer diagram to show what you learned. Decimal, plotting decimals on a number line, marking decimal values on a number line. Naming decimals illustrated on a number line, saying or writing the decimal shown. Comparing decimals, checking which decimal is bigger or smaller. Ordering decimals, arranging decimals from smallest to largest or vice versa. Here's another activity. Match the decimals in column A with its equivalent representation in the number line in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer. Here's column A and column B. Lesson activity, identify if the given decimals are correctly compared. Write yes if it gives a true statement and write no if it makes a false statement. Here's numbers 1 to 5. C. Arrange the decimals in increasing order. Here's numbers 1 to 3. And letter D. Arrange the decimals in decreasing order. Here's numbers 4 to 5. And here are the answers for A, B, C, D. Activity number 6, Path to School. Directions: help Pedro find his way to school by shading the block of the correct statement. And here's the answer.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!